Hi, my name is Uriel Morales from SL Gurus, and this is the user guide to our hotel management system in Excel. So basically we have 5 different options and you can use this system to effectively manage your hotel. And the first option that we have is the room setup. So if you have 100 rooms, you can enter all of the information by going to the room setup. So when you go to the room setup, you have an overview of all of the rooms that you currently have. So you see the room number is there, and you have the room tab, you have the charge per day. So basically when you enter the room number, you can also select the tab of the room. Now you can select the tab of the room, you can enter the charge per day, and you can also enter all of the information, the capacity, and you can put a comment there. Now when you enter your information, you can click on create, and you can also click on update. When you double click, you notice that the informations go to the test boxes, so you can update an existing room that you have. Now you can click on update or you can click on create. When you click on create, it tells you that the room has been created. So that room has been created and it goes into the database. As you can see, we just created room 124. When you double click, you notice that it goes to the test boxes, and you can update that identical room. You click on update, the room is now updated. We just updated it with the comment. Now the second option we have is the check-in, check-out. So basically when you go to the check-in, check-out, you notice that the room that we just created, room 124, is there, and you can enter all of the basic information for your client, and you can double click on the client and you can update the information there. You have all of the basic information that you need, the check-in and check-out. We want to change the nationality to American and say update. Now if you click on update and that check-in date exists in the system, it tells you that this date exists. Now it tells you have to go to check to the availability to see if you are not doing double booking. So you enter the information, you get the check-in, the check-out, and this is how you enter the information, the basic information. Now when you come to this feature, this will be updated in the next version. Now when you go to availability, you see the option there, so you can know which one of the room is empty, which one of the room is available, which one of the room that is filled, and the ones that I double book. So once you come here, you can check and you can see. So we notice that room 1 is not available, meaning people has already booked that room. Now you can see your information there. So if you have any double booking, you can come here to verify, and you can verify that report from there, from the room query. Now the second one that we have here, we have the email. This feature will be updated in our next version, so you have to keep following us. Now to print the receipt, all you do, you go to print and you put in the room number that you want to print. So once you put in that room number, it tells you that you have to go to the printer, and that identical receipt is printed. So you go to the printer, you take the receipt and give to your client. Now this feature is the financial side. If you want to know if your hotel is profitable, that feature will be added. Now you want to know the current guests. The current guests are guests who are currently in your hotel. So once you click on that report, it will give you the listing of all of the guests that you currently have. Now if you go to the previous guests, the previous guests will give you the listing of all of your customers that check out. So you will see all of the names, you will see the listing of all of your customers that check out. So you can also do that as a follow-up, and you can use that report the way you want to. So basically, you see it gives you the listing of all of your previous guests. So you see all of the basic information are there: the time the person check out, the phone number, the email address, and the passport details. So you see all of the information there. So basically, this is our hotel management system in Excel, and we will do updates on a regular basis. So you have to subscribe to our channel, as we give you the best that you can possibly get from Excel. So thank you for watching, and we want to tell you thank you for being with us.